Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Driver Door Latch Cable and Rod. This driver door latch cable and rod works on various Ford trucks and SUVs from 1992 to 1997, including the Bronco, F-150, F-250, F-350, and F-Series Super Duty trucks. What your driver door latch cable and rod do is they make sure you can effortlessly open your driver door on your vehicle. Should the cable, rod, or obviously the mechanism itself be broken, which over time can wear out and happen, it might be hard or impossible to open your door. While this replacement door latch cable and rod is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct replacement. Obviously, thanks to all the factory mounting locations and the OEM specific rod and cable. However, this does have two new improved latching mechanisms inside, and also more tension on the cable itself for increased usage. Installation of this driver door latch cable and rod is something you can do yourself, should you have the right tools. Keep in mind that you will need to remove the door panel to access the old driver door latch cable and rod. Upon install, make sure there are no kinks or additional bends, as that will create unneeded wear, or make sure your part doesn't fit properly. If you have any questions about this replacement driver door latch cable and rod, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.